The recent combination of economic turmoil, regulatory reaction and technological analysis has changed the capital market sector. Uncertainty and risk stemming from the slower than desired pace of economic recovery, looming end-year fiscal cliff and also continued economic shock waves emanating from Europe make this an especially challenging time for capital market firms around the world. You are watching Economic Buzz, one talk show that brings you all business matters and policies, the economic issues and analyze the Indonesian market to help you to make the right step for your capital investment. For you international business people in Singapore and Indonesia. I'm Edwin Suryabrata. Let's talk about your business on eBuzz. Most investors are still concerned about what the future holds for the economy and their investments. Decision-making is very important in the stock market. Without which, we certainly cannot make any sort of profits from the market. It all depends on how we can manage to get the best result from the market and also make the ultimate profits. When is the best time then to trade and to invest is always becoming a big question to every single business people. Here is the report for you.
Every investor needs to know how much they should invest in the market. They need to give a good consideration of their budget and know how much they should try to invest. Any of wrong decision might lead us to bankrupt in the market and would make us to incur huge loss of our income as well. Some business people are very comfortable doing analysis and some are not. And just because we feel confident and comfortable in trading, it doesn't necessarily mean we will be good at it at all time. There are no hard and fast rules on what makes a successful trader. Yet there are several characteristics that those who make the most amount of money in the least amount of time all have in common. To be successful, a trader must be patient. A successful trader lets winning position run, but is able to swallow his pride and close the trade when it isn't working. Patience means knowing how to be resilient, courageous and disciplined when the markets go against us. The exploration of the market situation is a key ingredient to becoming a successful trader and investor. Developing skill in both fundamental and technical analysis is always suggested. The ideal successful trader is usually passionate and has a biting desire to succeed. This biting desire to succeed can make all the difference in educating ourselves about what we want to know and sticking to our strategy when the going gets rough. As they practice the real trading, potential embarrassment is not a concern with successful traders. They expect to have losses and know when to cut them as soon as they are recognized. Successful traders are highly disciplined as well. A successful trader does what needs to be done even if he isn't in the mood. Discipline also means sticking to our strategy, not suddenly buying or selling it on a whim or because of a hot tip. The ultimate question will be, when is the best and the right time to trade? MNC Business Report for Economic Buzz.
And to have a deeper view and further discussion about time to trade with Monex, outlook and opportunities, we have Mr. Vicky Amarnani. He's the market strategist from Monex Investindo Futures. And also we have Mr. Joe Dinapoli, a professional trader, author, and also the godfather of Fibonacci. Gentlemen, welcome. Good evening.
Good evening.
Thank you so much. Mr. Vicky, it's good to have you back here in the Capital Market Talk. Also Mr. Joe Dinapoli, welcome to Indonesia, to Jakarta. We hope we can dig a lot of information from you. The main idea, the core talk of this talk show is how to get the best trading strategies with Monex for sure, because many are wondering what it takes actually in winning the trading floor and becoming a successful investor. I would like to start from Mr. Vicky Amarnani first.
Yes.
It has happened that tomorrow, the 2nd of March, Monex is going to have MIC or Monex Investor Club.
That's
maybe
right.
some of the business viewers already heard about this, but maybe you can share more about this event, Mr. Vicky.
Yes, I mean the Monex Investor Club, known as the MIC, is our annual event where basically all our existing clients from Monex or whoever can attend comes, and there we share our knowledge, and therefore we have invited one of the most experienced traders in the world with 40 years of experience, Mr. Dinapoli, to share his knowledge, to share his experience, his expertise, so that our existing clients can know exactly when to enter the market, how they should trade a plan, have the risk and reward in place, and become a professional trader.
Become a professional trader.
And I mean, in addition to that, I mean, we have experienced traders, but in this market, the only constant thing is change. There's always changes. Market behavior keeps changing. So we would always like to update them with the latest market developments and the latest strategies in place so they can then continue to enhance their knowledge.
Okay, Mr. Dinapoli, on your perspective, sir, professional trader by definition, what is that actually?
I think it has to do with loving the market enough to devote your life to it. And it's more than just making money. I've been in this for actually about 45 years. And I love it. I love to do it. I love to trade. It's interesting. It's exciting. And I would continue to do it no matter what.
I like your words.
It's fascinating.
Yeah. Very optimistic when we heard about the word devoted to the market. But with this current situation, having understood what's been happening lately in the volatility, it could be very speculative when we go into the capital market particularly. What it takes actually to loving the capital market more. Many are start living this, they are quite pessimism, and on the contrary, Mr. Dinapoli have a very strong belief that we have to be devoted to the market.
Well, the devotion comes from within. I mean, if you're an artist, you're an artist, an author. You know, devotion comes from within. And my first stock trade was when I was 15 years old. So, you know, that's a long time. And I'd be devoted to this regardless of market conditions. I will say, however, that the market conditions, not in 2008 when we had the financial crisis, but 2009 to 2012 have been the most challenging of my career. They've been really quite difficult.
All right, gentlemen, we are going to continue after this one. And make sure you are still with us on Economic Buzz. We are discussing about time to trade with Monex, outlook and opportunities.